Hello students. Today we will learn chapter 2, that is computing components. Have you ever wondered what are inside your desktop or laptop case? It consists of electronics that help run your PC or laptop, such as processors, memory, the cloud, input, output, and digital storage. Before we move on the remaining content, let us view our learning objectives of this chapter. Describe multi-core processors, the components of a processor. Identify the 4 steps in a machine cycle. Identify characteristics of various personal computer processors. Describe the ways processors are cooled. Explain about memory. Differentiate among the various types of memory. Describe the purpose of adapter cards and USB adapters. Explain the advantages and services of cloud computing processors. It is commonly known as the CPU, Central Processing Unit. It has a large impact on overall computing power and controls the majority of a computer's functions. There are 2 types of processors. First, single-core processors. It is also known as a microprocessor. Second, multi-core processors. A single chip with a minimum of 2 separate processor cores and are used in all sizes of computers. Components of a processor. Control unit is a component that directs and coordinates the majority of computer operations. Arithmetic logic unit (ALU) performs arithmetic, comparison, and other operations. Register is small, high-speed storage locations that hold data and instructions temporarily. The system clock regulates the timing of all computer operations. A processor repeats a set of 4 basic operations for each instruction, forming a machine cycle. The basic operations are fetching, decoding, executing, and storing. Personal computer and mobile processors. Intel and AMD are the 2 leading manufacturers of personal computer processor chips. AMD produces Intel-compatible processors, which have an internal design similar to Intel processors, perform the same functions, and can be as powerful as Intel processors, but are frequently less expensive. Ways processors are cooled. Processor chips may fail or malfunction if the heat from the laptop, desktop, and server are not properly managed. There are a few ways to cool the processors that are using the heatsink, liquid cooling technology, or cooling pad. What is memory? It is made up of electronic components that hold instructions ready to be executed by the processor, data required by such instructions, and the outcomes of data processing. It consists of 1 or more chips on the motherboard in the computer. Memory size is measured in gigabytes (GB). What does memory stores? Operating system and programs, applications, data, and information. Types of memory. First, volatile. When the power is switched off, the contents are lost. For example, RAM. Second, non-volatile. When the power is switched off, the contents remain. For example, ROM, CMOS, flash memory. Types of RAM. For dynamic RAM, DRAM needs to be energized to keep its contents. Example, SDRAM, DDR2, DDR3, or DRAM. Second, static RAM, SRAM, are faster and reliable than DRAM. Read-only memory, ROM, is a memory chip that stores permanent data and instructions. Usually the data in ROM cannot be modified. It is also non-volatile. Flash memory can be electronically erased and rewritten. Adapter cards. It improves the functionality of a component of a desktop or server system unit and/or connects to peripheral devices. An expansion slot is used to hold an adapter card. Nowadays, computer can automatically recognize peripheral devices with the plug-and-play technology. Types of adapters. Cards, Bluetooth, MIDI, modem, network, sound, TV tuner, USB, and video. What is cloud computing? The term cloud computing refers to a network of servers that house and provide access to resources that users can access via the internet. Why do people are moving toward cloud computing? Accessibility, cost saving, space saving, scalability. What other services does cloud computing provide? Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Software as a service, SaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS. Data as a service, DaaS. That is all for this topic. See you soon on the other topic soon. Have a nice day and bye.